Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup OneDrive files from Android app step by step clearly. Open the OneDrive app on your Android device. Ensure you are signed in to the account that contains the files you want to backup. Locate the file or folder you wish to backup. Tap and hold the item until a menu appears. Select Download from the options presented. Choose a destination on your device where you want to save the file. If prompted, confirm your selection. Wait for the download process to complete. To backup multiple files, repeat the process for each item. For folders, you may need to download them one by one. Once the files are downloaded, navigate to your device's file manager. Locate the downloaded files in the chosen destination. To ensure the backup is successful, open the files from the file manager. You may also consider using an external storage option for added security. Check that all necessary files are accessible. Your files are now backed up from OneDrive to your Android device. You can repeat this process whenever you need to back up new or updated files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.